Hello, and welcome to training on how to use the reporting tools within IQ Office. To begin, log into your IQ Office. If you don't know how to access the system, please contact your Office administrator and they can help you with that. Once you're logged into the system, go to the Tools/Preferences on the left-hand side of the screen. Then, underneath Reports, you will find that you have an option for Lead, Listing, Agent, Website, and IQ Voice Reports. Click on the report that you wish to run. They all work very similarly. Once you've clicked on the report, you will see the types of report that you can run. Click on the report you wish to run and add the information that you would like in the report, including status codes as well as source names. You also can choose what you would like the report to save as. Once you've entered in all of your information for what you would like run, click on the option to either save or run the report. It will give you all of your results here. If you wish to filter the results, you click on Filter and it will take you back to the Report, Run, Edit screen. This has been training on how to use the Reports tool within IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.